Do you struggle to maintain valuable customer relationships? Your sales success relies on trust and loyalty. Nutshell's CRM is here to help. It's tailor-made for relationship-based selling, allowing you to organize interactions and maximize revenue. First, Nutshell provides a comprehensive view of your clients. Track every conversation and purchase effortlessly. Second, never miss a follow-up with automated reminders. Always stay connected with your customers. Third, leverage AI tools to personalize interactions and streamline your outreach. Stand out with Nutshell's user-friendly interface. Unlike complex alternatives, it's intuitive and designed for relationship-driven teams. Ready to enhance your sales strategy? Try Nutshell free for 14 days. Transform your customer interactions today.